Alright guys, I'm out here working today on this Toro Dingo 220. It's a mini skid steer loader, I guess you could say. And this has 874 hours on it. And it's never had an oil change on the engine until 4 years ago, and it's never had a hydraulic filter change on it, which is this one right here. It is a Napa 1551 Gold that I got, and I've been having trouble trying to actually put it on. Threads on that, you have to like perfectly get it on. I thought I had the wrong one or something, because this one right here I got, this is the filter that came off of it. It's a Toro 540110. And I thought that one, the Napa one I got, wasn't the right one, but it is. It's hard to get it on there. Something about the threads on it, it's really weird getting it on. And I went to the local hardware store to buy like a bolt and stuff put over it, and I couldn't. They said it was automotive thread or something, so they couldn't find me the stuff for it. But for anyone else who's trying to like do some maintenance on one of these, the Napa Gold 1551 hydraulic filter is the right one for it. I have the box right here. This is the right one for it. Just hoping I could help somebody in need on that, because this was made in 2002 and it's pretty beat and banged up, but still going strong. 4 years ago I did an oil change on the motor because it was completely solid black, so it needed one too, but I was really holding off for too long. And I didn't change the filter because the fluid looked bad or anything. I don't feel like it was performing how it should on this, but that is the right filter for it. But I hope that helps somebody out with this, because I was thinking I needed some other filters or something, and I didn't really want to go online and order one from Toro, because I know it cost a fortune for one, and I'm pretty sure the Napa filter would do just as good as like a $50-$60 filter, because this is commercial equipment, but we don't have a business anymore, so I just use it for home maintenance and a little bit of work. But that's all I have for you today, guys. I'll see you in another video.